Hola, hola, welcome to Aura's Inside, and I am Aura. And if you are here, it's because you want to know how to use these two tenses. Pretérito perfecto simple o pretérito indefinido. Ay, es que son muchos nombres. And the other one, pretérito imperfecto. The names are very confusing, right? But I'll tell you a secret. Native Spanish speakers don't usually know these names. We talk, we use these tenses in a sentence, but we don't know how they are called. And that is how you should learn Spanish, without thinking too much. Like, oh, okay, in this moment I have to make a sentence conjugated in the pretérito perfecto simple or pretérito imperfecto. No, that's not how we work. Okay, menos charla y más trabajo. I always wanted to cover the camera. And let's start with the pretérito imperfecto. For actions that are constantly repeated in the past, like, for example, habits. El pájaro cantaba cada mañana en mi ventana. Lorena hacía ejercicio todos los días. So these two actions are repeated in the past. It was like a habit. It was something done more than once. When we make descriptions of people, things, animals, etc. in the past. Erika era la mejor bailarina del colegio. Mi bicicleta tenía una cesta delante. El gato parecía un conejo porque era pequeño y peludo. For actions occurring at the same time in the past. Mientras nosotros caminábamos en el bosque, escuchábamos el canto de las aves. Okay, now let's continue with pretérito perfecto simple. For actions in the past that occur only once in a completed time period. Manolo corrió muy rápido en la carrera de ayer. El gato de mi amigo se perdió la semana pasada. Those actions happened only once, okay? In a specific period of time. For specific actions that interrupt another action. Mientras caminábamos en el bosque, Marcos encontró una piedra en forma de corazón. What I mean here is that the action that interrupts another action is in pretérito perfecto simple. Okay, I hope this video can be useful for you. I always say that, but I really mean it. Now, I want you to write a sentence, okay? Write a sentence in the comments with the pretérito perfecto simple and pretérito imperfecto, alright? And I'll check your comments and answers. So please don't forget to check out all these accounts that are appearing here on the screen, over here, and go and check them out and see if you like the content I make there. Because, for example, on Instagram, you can find more material, more things for you to learn Spanish. So don't miss it. Also, for example, on my Patreon, you can find a lot of levels you can take advantage of. If you are a very good student, you are going to see what I have there. And if you are interested to any of those levels, you can just join there and find me there too. Now I have TikTok. I already I had TikTok before, but I don't know what happened, so I had to create a new one. So go there too, please. And muchas gracias to watch until here. See you in the next video. I forgot what I was going to say.